areas around the canyon. Jesse?
That's right, Jake. I'm glad you all could make it, because thanks to the recent rains, you're in for a real treat today. It doesn't rain here often, but when it does, this place really comes alive.
Yeah. Look at all these flowers. It's like they came out of nowhere. 2 weeks ago, everything
So
was
beautiful.
dry, and then we get a little rain, and bang, the race is on. Grow, flower, produce more seeds.
Yes.
The desert dries up again.
And that's quite something.
See, it makes the words go on and off up there.
And the rest of the year is about
What
as
is
hot
that?
and dry as it gets. Plants are only able to survive thanks
Guys,
to some
we might
nifty
die.
adaptations. Like the desert miracle. These tiny hairs on its leaves reflect sunlight and block UV rays. That helps it thrive in very resistant.
Whoa, guys. Whoa. Whoa.
Hey, Jess, I'm going to take the high trail over the canyon.
It's getting a little darker, so yeah, we should be okay for now.
Jess, tell them about the berry shrimp.
Oh yeah, berry shrimp. They're a great example of animals that adapt to desert conditions. They can't hatch until the rains come, but it doesn't take much. They only need enough water to form a little baby like this. Once they hatch, they live out their entire life cycle in a matter of months, or sometimes just weeks.
Jess, you're very much closer than you thought. We just got word that there's a flash flood effect. Getting caught in one of those is definitely not in your job description. You might want to start moving the higher ground. Now, the rest of you guys.
Lady, are you okay out there? It's gonna storm.
Oh my God.
You see, when we get a rainstorm,
Get out of the water, Jess. Now. What are these kids doing here?
rushes downhill.
Hey, kids. What are you doing in the storm?
Recharge the ecosystem. But they can also be destructive.
Helicopter, helicopter.
So don't think you can outrun them either. You will lose. So Jess.
Okay, I'm further up the hill now. Oh, wait a minute.